I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady. Thank you for joining me today. It's a gloomy day here where I live. I hope you're having a more sunny, cheerful day where you live. But today we're going to work on Margarete Miller's Collage Challenge Week 16. We need a playing card. This is an old bunco card. I thought he was kind of cute. But the colors don't kind of go, but this does. So I also have this one, which that would go better. So I think we might actually use him, even though I like him better. We use him for something else. Cursive writing, I thought I would try to find a quote from like Orville or Wilbur Wright. And I have this little image with 2 shades of green, some birds. This is my menu, which also happens to have my bonus star on it. And this little airplane is representing aviation. I also have other images that could represent aviation as well, which I guess there's a possibility that I could use something else. But I think these black and white ones are just going to get lost. Perhaps, I don't know. Also have this little balloon, hot air balloon, and this larger airplane, which I think is just too big. I don't think I'm going to use the whole menu. Probably just this part. And then I'm deciding if I want to put a background. I do want to put a background because this is a page where I cut it off and glued it down. So I was thinking one of these might be good, and this is also shades of green, but I don't like it with this part. I guess if I did that, it wouldn't be too bad. But I kind of do actually like this better, but I'm worried it might be a little bit too busy. It's one-sided. So we could do that. Actually, it's not that busy. So I think I will figure out how I'm cutting this up, and then we'll figure out the rest. Alright, so I have decided on my layout. I only took this much of the menu, and I'm going to go ahead and put the airplane right over the best for the best, because I still want to see Mediterranean Grill restaurant there, and that's going to kind of be like this. And then I'm going to have my 2 tones of green, or shades of green here like this, and I did ink around that, and I even inked around the bunco card a little bit. And I decided I liked it better this way than, well, it would work this way too, actually. What did I decide? I think, I don't really want to cut anything off, so I think I will redecide that I would rather have it like this. I think before I was going to have it like that, and then it was going to cut off too much of either that bird or the bunco card. So we'll do it this way. And then for my quote, for my cursive writing, I wrote a quote by Orville Wright. And this kind of airplane actually looks like it would be better to go with Orville Wright's quote than that one, but it says, if we worked on the assumption that what is accepted as true really is true, there would be little hope for advance. So I thought that was quite true. So maybe we could kind of do that. And then, because that looks like the airplane that Wilbur and Orville flew. So I think I am going to use that. And I'm just going to also get my scrap paper and just kind of ink it up so it's not so black and white and gray. Maybe we can make it just a teensy bit more brownish to match with everything else. And so then we'll start gluing everything down. I think that's going to be good. This came out of my, I believe it was this one. No, not Underworld. Probably this one. One of these. It came out of one of these. It was either Wonderland or Underworld. So, we'll just, I still have to, yeah, let's see how that's going to look. I think that's going to look cool. And I have to say that I am having somewhat difficulty feeling like my collages go together somehow. Because I feel like I'm always just kind of putting down a mishmash of things that don't go together. But first thing first we're going to do is glue down the background. So I am going to just kind of put this back like this for now. Get my extra strength glue. And I think I'll speed this gluing process up so that this video is not too long. But yeah, I hope you are doing well. Our weather today was crazy, as it was yesterday. Yesterday we almost felt like we were having a hurricane. It was so windy. And then got down to 38 degrees again yesterday, which was not my idea of fun. I don't like it that cold when it's supposed to be spring. So that's going to go there. Then we're going to put this kind of like that, sort of off-center and tilted a little bit. And that's my menu. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're happy and healthy. And safe and strong and courageous. I was just scrolling through YouTube shorts, and I came across a video of people trying to go on, that's even kind of cute, but it's cut off there, get on somebody's private property, and he wouldn't let them. He was standing his ground, but then they came back with weapons, a stun gun, a taser, and I don't know what else, but it was kind of scary to think about. Like, I could just be sitting out in my yard and having someone come up and decide they're going to just take it from me. It's very scary. This world is a scary place these days. I have no desire to travel anywhere because I'm afraid. Oh, I forgot. We were going to put this one underneath, like that, sort of, right? There, just fits perfectly. And then this is going to go down here. Well, I think I made it go down lower than I had anticipated at first. But, let's see. I think we'll just go ahead and do that. I should have moved that up a little bit, I think. But then I wouldn't be able to see restaurant, so it's okay. It's all good. Let's just get this glued down. So we live in what is considered a rural city in upstate New York, but I tell you what, I've always felt safe up here. Now I'm wondering if it's really safe anywhere. I don't know how many people are in the town. The population fluctuates because we have 2 colleges in our town. Now this. Well, the summer population is definitely different than winter population in fall. But it's still, to us it's a city because we lived really rurally before we moved here, way out in the middle of nowhere, on 6 acres in between 2 big dairy farms. And that's going to go there. So, I'm even afraid to go visit my kids that live in Brookland. Or my one son got married in 2020 at Central Park, and we all went down and still had to wear masks and everything. But his wife really wanted to have her anniversary be 10/10/2020. So anyway, here is my layout for number 16, week 16 of Margarete Miller's challenge. A playing card, cursive writing, an image with 2 shades of green. It's probably more than 2 shades of green in all these leaves. Something representing aviation, and that's this airplane here, this airplane here, and actually the quote represents aviation too. Part of a menu with this bonus on it, the star. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, that would be great. If you would like to subscribe, that would be great for me. I would love it, and I appreciate all your support. And we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.